guys, welcome back and thanks so much for watching today. Do you guys like my shirt? You see what it is? This is my working from home outfit. And I literally got on tights, like seriously, this is literally what I'm wearing today. So if this wasn't a hint enough, this video today is all about giving you guys a few ways to work from home and start making money if there's something that you want to do. And if you're new here, my name is Angel. I share so many things lifestyle and I love to have you part of the family. So go ahead and click that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you get notified when I upload videos. So jumping right in, this video is great. Again, if you're thinking about working from home, it's something that you want to do. Even if you know somebody who would love to do this, go ahead and share this video with them right now so that they can go ahead and watch it as well. This is also so great for moms who would love to work from home. I'm going to be sharing some great ideas that you can do and ultimately become a work from home mom. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump right in. So the very first way that you can go ahead and start working from home and ultimately make money is with YouTube. So what you're watching me on right now. YouTube is definitely a great way to work from home and ultimately make income from it. And YouTube income is more of passive income, which means that once you're able to monetize your channel, which guys, I share an entire video about the requirements to monetize a YouTube channel on my Creators Corner channel, and I'll link the video and you can check that video out when you're finished with this one. But it's on my different channel because that channel is literally dedicated to showing and educating those who would like to be a content creator or influencer, YouTuber, Instagrammer, TikToker, all of that. So if you're interested in it, make sure to check that channel out. I wanted to keep that separate from this channel. This is lifestyle channel, but that channel is more educational. But yeah, if you're interested in knowing the requirements for YouTube, check that video out. And focusing on growing a YouTube channel, like I said, is passive income. And what I mean by passive income is once you create a video, you can monetize that for years and years and years to come. As long as YouTube and Google ads are around and you're eligible, you can make money on that video in essence forever, in perpetuity. Super cool, super great, and it's a great idea to do if you want to do that. And not everybody wants to, I know that, but if you do, you can definitely make an income working from home, being a YouTuber or you know, just here on YouTube. It does take time. It doesn't happen overnight, but you can get started and you can ultimately make revenue from that. A second idea you can do is make money with affiliates. And what affiliates are, it's if you have a product and you want to make money from it, you can get an affiliate link usually from it for that product, and when people click that product and they purchased through your link, you get a small commission, like an advertising commission, as like a thank you for marketing our product. And that's how commissions work. They're not huge, but they're a little small piece of a token. It's like a thank you for marketing the product. Again, customers don't pay more, they pay the same price. That comes out the company's pockets, and they're, you know, giving you a token of thank you for pushing the product. So yeah, affiliate links, you do not have to have a large following, you do not have to have a large audience, guys. Absolutely anybody can make money with affiliate links. Even if it's just your group of Facebook friends and you're promoting a product that you like, let's say on Amazon, you can get an Amazon affiliate link for that product, and when people click that and they purchase through your link, you'll get paid, you know. One company I do like to use is Magic Links, and Magic Links, you can link through a lot of different department stores and outside of Amazon, and I'll leave a link to Magic Links below if you're interested in becoming an affiliate with them. But they're simple, it's easy, and you can get a Chrome extension and literally link out any page you're going to practically and post it anywhere you want. and whether it's through emails, through your social media, whatever, affiliate links is a easy way. Absolutely anybody can make money. And again, you don't have to have a large following. It's not even about a following, it's just about getting people to click through your link. So whether that's family or friends, if you get them to click through your link and purchase through your link, you can start getting paid commissions. And then the third way I'm going to share with you today that you can work from home making money starting today is with social media. So if you have your own products, whatever it is that you sell or want to sell, you can use your social media to start bringing in you income for your products. So pushing your products on Instagram and Facebook and TikTok and all these other platforms, you can literally utilize these platforms to start pushing your products and start making money from it. So instead of just using your social media for leisure and just randomness and posting your life, you can strategically make it a business. You start using social media to start pushing and marketing your products strategically. Turn social media into a business. Using social media just in general, you can start bringing in income and working from home. You don't have to, again, have a huge following, a large following. You can strategically start incorporating social media for your marketing purposes for your product. Now, if you're interested in growing your social media and using social media for your benefits, I do have a free ebook. I wrote it like a year or so ago, but it's still relevant. The information is still important, it's still doable, it's still workable. It's such an evergreen piece of content. It's about 20-30 pages. So I took the time out and created that, and it's still usable today. So if you would love to check it out and are interested in growing your social media, I will leave that ebook below. It's completely free. Again, I did just wanted to help people out. That's why I originally wrote it. Again, I have a Creators Corner channel for those of you who are interested in pursuing this further and more. I'm diving deep. I'm giving you guys so much information for free on that channel. So make sure to check that out and subscribe to that channel. I mean, I just have to say, working from home and having my baby here with me, it's the greatest feeling ever. Not to have to send my child to daycare, even though during these periods sometimes I don't think daycares are open, but I don't know. But even if we weren't going through this, it's still just an amazing thing and a blessing to be able to, you know, stay home with my child and care for them, as well as work for myself and have a flexible schedule. I'm so blessed and I'm so grateful for the opportunities that I have and where our life is right now. If you want this little creative shirt, I'll leave it link. I think it was a few bucks. I'll leave a link below in the description box. But I have to say, I love this outfit. It's so comfortable. Don't forget to share this video with somebody that you know. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give me that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.